pulse as federal health care reform laws take hold. News Channel 5's Alex Sands today is at the Healthcare Affordability Summit in Orlando, where the big focus is keeping costs down while preserving the quality of our care.
As you know, Michael, this touches so many lives. So many people have asked us, just what does this mean? What to make of health care reform in the coming months? So we came here for answers, asking some of the biggest minds here, some of the best of the industry, for insight you won't see anywhere else. As healthcare providers shape a new path forward, months of uncertainty have left so many of us with questions.
Especially for people my age, because we really don't really think about healthcare on a day-to-day basis.
From regular doctor visits to long-term care, the changes coming to healthcare are far from reform, doctors here say. It's more of a revolution.
But you're never going to see a bunch of providers get before a camera and say, you know what, thank God they passed this law, because now we're going to give you better care than we did before. But that's what's happening. That's what we can see beneath the surface.
A lot of it comes down to bringing costs down and giving more of us access to quality care. A big focus is preventative care, a proactive approach to keeping us healthy. Then there's this.
By giving people health insurance, what you do is you help create jobs. Plus, folks who didn't have health insurance and are likely to be healthier without it are no longer going to go to the hospital and cost you money because their care has to come out of your pocket as a taxpayer.
Changes that for so many of us are part of a growing conversation.
Because I think it's getting people to talk, getting people to try and understand that this is an important thing, not just for, older generations, but it's all the generations that it affects.
Another big push we'll see from employers in the coming months is challenging all of us to live healthier. In some cases, giving us incentives, they say, could potentially cut our insurance rates by as much as 30%, a big savings for so many people. At 6 o'clock, a closer look at the Medicaid issue. The number of uninsured people across Florida growing almost by the year. Some economists tell us what's being done about that when we see you coming up in about a half hour. Alex Sands, WPTV News Channel 5.